Hey friends, this is Atif Hope Val and welcome to the new update on IDEX. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that IDEX has finally broken out a very huge symmetrical triangle on a weekly time frame chart, and this was my last video. And at the same time, it was also trying to break out a very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And I was telling you that now there is a probability, a quite high probability, that after breaking out this triangle, now the price end may also break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after breaking out this triangle, the price line has now broken out the resistance of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. And now it is about to hit this long-term resistance of $1, not at $1, at 13.7 cents. That has been previously working as a very strong resistance here and resistance here. And before that, it has been working as a support here as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this quite long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for IDEX that I shared, by the way, in the month of Feb 2024, in the previous month on 11th of Feb 2024. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that IDEX formed with Bitcoin pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price end once again dropped down into the buying zone here. Then we had a very nice pump. And then from the same potential reversal zone, the price end started another very massive pump. And this was almost 71% pump so far, only on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart of IDEX. And this is the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that we have this uptrend line, quite long-term uptrend line support, and this quite long-term downtrend line resistance as well. And this is the formation of a very huge symmetrical triangle. And here you can see that the price line also formed this quite big falling wedge pattern as well. We got stable ejections by the resistance, stable bounces from the support as well. And finally, after testing the support of the symmetrical triangle and this quite long-term support of 3.5 cents as well, the price then broke out this falling wedge pattern. But due to this quite long-term resistance of this symmetrical triangle, the price line could not continue this rally to the upside, and it again dropped down, tested the support of the triangle here, and here as well. And by the way, here we got rejection by the resistance of the triangle as well. And finally, we have broken out the resistance. And after that, imminently, it has also broken out another quite long-term resistance of 7 cents as well. That was previously breaking as a very strong resistance here, and also resistance here as well. And before that, it had been breaking as a resistance here, and now it can work. In fact, it is working as a nice support. You can see after the breakout, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that the price then tested this level of 7 cents as a support here, and now it is geared up. And now we are about to hit the next long-term resistance of 13.7 cents that had been previously breaking as a resistance here, and support here. And now it can again work as a strong resistance. At the same time, you can see that it has also broken out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And now this lagging span of Ichimoku bearish cloud is also crossing up the cloud. And we have also received the bull cross between the conversion and the baseline. This blue line is the conversion line, and this brown line is the baseline. That is also a very bullish gesture or bullish signal on this weekly time frame chart. And now this bearish cloud will be soon flipped into a bullish cloud, into from red to green color, and it can provide a very nice and long-term support to the price line, and it can also lift the price line to the upside for the long term as well. And now if we take a look at the technical targets, then target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $1.02. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this very huge symmetrical triangle, that target is here. That is approximately at $2.06. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.